Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Mill. Mill means building with machinery for grinding grain. For example, last year the company closed several grain mills in NSW. Last year the company closed several grain mills in NSW. Synonyms: factory, plant, processing plant.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. Last year the company closed several grain mills in NSW. Now, repeat after me. Last year the company closed several grain mills in NSW. The second exemplar. He recently finished a series of photos of old grist mills. Now, repeat after me. He recently finished a series of photos of old grist mills. The third exemplar. The co-op has also just purchased its own whole wheat flour mill, albeit used. Now, repeat after me. The co-op has also just purchased its own whole wheat flour mill, albeit used.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
More English words begin with the letter S than with any other letter.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.